Hello, Yarn Besties. I am the Crafty Crocheter. So if you want to become a Yarn Bestie, click the subscribe button and get access to more content. And if you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Don't forget to hype this video, share this video, and recommend the channel to all your family and friends. Alright, so welcome to another episode of WIP'N It On Wednesdays with the Crafty Crocheter. So I thought I would show the progress of my easy crochet triangle shawl that I mentioned in last week's video. So I'm officially halfway done. Here's what it looks like so far. I'm on row 22, and in total, after reading the pattern, I have it'd be 44 rows total, because you're repeating a couple rows twice. But again, if you have the pattern already downloaded, then you know what I'm referring to. But this is what it looks like so far with that yarn, and I kind of like the way it's turned out. Color-wise, I don't know how you can see that on the camera. You see the oranges and blues and some claret, some maybe magenta in there, a little fuchsia in there maybe. But it's coming along nicely, so I may do another one after this one's done. So here's what it looks like. All right, and hopefully by next week's video, I'll have it all complete, and then I'll show it off like I normally do when I complete a project. It's a fairly quick and easy video for today, so this is all I have right now, and I do have another WIP that I'm working on. I just started it yesterday. It's for that. If you watch my live stream, I mentioned about I had an embroidery project for fall that I'm working on. I started on it last night, so I just started on it. I don't have the work up here with me, so I may present that in next week's video, because that one's probably going to take longer than the shawl will. So, and then I'm still working on that Learn to Knit in 50 Squares blanket as well, and I'm on the same square I've been on for the past couple months, because I just been putting it off, so I recently got back into it again. So fingers crossed I'll have a couple squares done by next week's video. So that's all I have for today. So hope everyone's day's going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Be there for one another, help each other out, be kind to one another, pay it forward if possible. Be true to yourself, love yourself, and stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important. And again, if you like what you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.